Molweni ku-Sporting Culture, igama lami uBhunguluthu Simama aka umqeqeshi ndabona Rutbana Vecangwa uTamzi kunjani?
Kuhle bhuti Akhonto kunjani?
Ku-right bhuti Akhonto man. Besijongile Tamzi iGermany idlala ne-Ivory Coast. Big game for i-Ivory Coast because of ibifuna ufinisha on top of a group. But ke i-situation kangiyivumele kwigame ayizolo. Iphele loser late goal leyo Tamzi, late goal. Watch first half yabo dominated, moving like when you watching the Giants in Africa, that's what you usually looking for. Dominance game yabo, especially before the water break, they were on top of their game. They were doing everything all right. Udiomande was doing excellent job at Galini, showing good teams as a Europe for next season. For the Sunday, so beautiful game for Nuba Fanas, and then ne goal by Fumani goal leader yabo captain Ketia Wakora. Waphele first half ke Tamzi njalo. Going to second half, going to overall Tamzi wena uyibona njani ke?
Inkosi.
Sure. Ngizithola lo waye. Maditshe nawe ngiyayitshindela.
Especially first half, ngithembisa into, i-Ivory Coast had a physical presence,
Yes.
ball possession, everything, bekomba e-Ivory Coast, bekomba e-Africa, and defending as well, even though bebesithi 4-3-3 uyibona i-4-2-2 in defense, sometimes uyibona i-4-3-3 but ubone vere la forward yesithathu yabo izodropa to make 4 yabo. Xa kuphethwe ibhola, they moved well yabo kula defense. Xa ibhola isiya kwiwinga, i-right back iyaphuma iyocharge yabo. Soon as imove ibhola iyabuya, and then we move with the ball. Ba ibhola iphambi kwakho as a center back uyaphuma uyebholeni. Soon as move uyabuya. Ukubone they move perfectly well oiled amazita, well orchestrated defense boqomba asuka. So ubona ba Akhonto yayo iGermany. And then besike sathetha last time ngela first 15 minutes of the game yabo. iGermany had a chance apho kusquare khona ibhola, I think 9 minutes into the game. Wajumpa uKai Havertz, Arsenal forward, wabetha header estrongo, keep uhleli, great reflexes, wayisave yabo. 9 minutes out of nowhere ubona umuntu ejump header yabo. So I thought ngavuleka imbobo apho, but then again I think beyichance yabo yokugcina leya kula first half yabo. Overall, for a team that had for about an hour, for like 60 minutes, game was dominated by Ivory Coast. O Amadi, o Kessie, ude wascora, o Diomande, 19-year-old from Leipzig. They were on fire. But now they were winning their duels in the midfield. They were defending well. Going forward now, it should be final third. There were a lot of balls of Manseke ziyacrosswa ilapha kule first pole, for umuntu receiver, into ekumele ba uthatha i-shot same time, ayingo-1, then ushude, so umuntu uya-receiver, by the time e-receiver seyimoshakele, someone uyayilanduka la bhola, uyayixuda, it's also because of i-position le idlalelwa kuyo la bhola, because you must uyitouche kuqala so that nawe uface towards goal, otherwise uzawubetha i-Google shot, to i-goals bazingaphi, but ayizoba na-power because ibhola ilapha i-first pole and it's ilapha phambulana kune-first pole le xa ureceive. So it's difficult into yobana uzawujika njani umzimba, le shot uzayenza njani, so ufumaniseka uba that's where ii-bowlers bezifeyila iibhola zabo. Now there's a ball yanqumla straight yade yofika eboxini yalihobe, kicked it over i-crossbar. They were, as a final touches, man, that because the game baluze igame engamelanga bayayiluza, uyabona, it's frustrating, uyabo, because they had the Germans, uyabo, up until they introduced your layout Dennis.
Yeah, that's like,
Yeah, igama layo nguDennis, just forgot his surname. He came on as a sub ku first game, scored a goal, one assist eziyi-2, uyabo, uDav, two assists and a goal. Uyangena ngoku, scores a goal, scores another one, yabo. So he's an important player now for the Germans, yabo. Even though ngandisiva there were doubts zendubana uyaza na ku World Cup sawukhupha bani, yabo, starting 11, yabo. Then finally they brought him in, but okay, samsebenza is super sub, yabo, and has been doing a great job for yena. The Germans, ifans yazazi ziyathetha zifuna kuqala igame because bekorile wa-assist igame yokuqala, now ungenile kule game wakora both goals, uyabo. Yeah, bazayibona ke bayiqhuba kanjani loo nto, but thina our main concern and our main support is the Africans, Ivory Coast. But I know both they are going through, it's just that we're in the top spot as Uchilo now. I'm not sure if you have anything to add.
yeah, kule point usana tamshi injalo nyani layout yeah, Germany, I think he top scorer na team yayo, and then it was a division ba coach, I think he chose as a fan ba maye pa because of season indlela edlale ngayo, yabo, and then coach bengekho sure kwi movements zakhe for uyithatha for, but yona iyazibonakalisa ba iyafuna. And another thing, last minute chance ephoswe ngulo mfana we-Ivory Coast la-out ndiyayazi from Brighton, and it's one of the things ebenizibuza yona uba kutheni le-out ingayikho i-big European teams, but be-frustrated nakwi-Brighton ufumanisa uba le-out clean chances yazinqutya whereby funeke ilibethe phakathi icinazele ibhola ingene bra, but ufumanisa umntu ufuna uthatha umntu ajike, lo mntu lapha phambi kwakho ufuna uphinde ujike wena, uyabo. So uyenza izinto ufumanisa uba awukwazi uthatha ngokungena nebhola, rhuqa ibhola ungene ebhokisini, yamisa la chance, and then that's what's kill Ilanduka i-Ivory Coast kula game, because i-Germany khange imisa i-chance, immediately ufumane la chance i-Germany yayibethe phakathi. So those are the things ekufumanisa uba as African kule nto itshoyo uba amajita ii-crosses intoni ebhokisini into besenzeka, but we lack those finishing touches whereby singabulala ii-games, because same besiyikhalela nakwigame eSenegal, it's the same thing esiyibonayo nakwigame i-Ivory Coast. So for African teams, we need to work out kulantsika yethu kwi-last third, madoda.
Yeah.
I mean, siza kahle, we are good defensively, we are good kwi-midfielder yethu, but we need a final third, so that because the goals ezivinisa i-team to make sure ufumana 3 points kumele score, but asikwazi udependa kwilantsika yethu, kwi-defensive yethu na kwi-midfielder yethu.
Nala as the last minutes of the game, concentration by yalapse.
Yeah.
That's where Ilanduka capitalized to UDAF goal yesibini. Yeah, and it's sent into the box the same way Lapola was sent in for Kai Havertz. Never hit the first half, 9 minutes in. So I think dealing with crosses as your boxing, I'm not sure it's iba mayindo ekumele basiba nexhala ngayo. Yeah, we're seeing as one of these kwenzeka ezinto, yeah, but we need to switch on at all times early in the game. You know, it's only 90 minutes. Yeah, well, you only need to focus for 90 plus minutes. That's our edition at the time. And also in Morocco.
Yes,
Playing against Scotland. Tidwela Majida pulled the win. Ours is to just shout out as the African teams that are doing better, you know. But yeah, in Morocco, a bit disappointing, né? Because they had possession was theirs. Yeah, well, they had about 601 touches, completed passes against 388 in Scotland. You know, ball possession was 59-41. Yeah, well. And shots on target only 2. Yeah, well, that's where now my concern is. That's where disappointment is. You know, la final third. The game Ivory Coast. The final third needs to be top notch. This is the biggest stage of football. Yeah, well, we need to be clinical. yabo. We want to be in the final, yabo, noba i-Africa iya ngabani kwi-final, we want to be in the final this time around, yabo. And also Scotland, no shot on target, yabo. There wasn't much la game, you know, even though kuthe yongena la goal early, Saipari second goal, even though kuthe yongena early yangathi izawuba imvula yamanqaku, and then it only ended there, yabo. But yeah, shout out to Morocco. I'm not sure if you have anything.
No, not much, Tamsi, but the outilene Corle, I think is rate Bayern, it's something to do with Bayern Munich and again for a season. So big ups to you and Ebonakalis Bangabana. It is ever to be with top leagues, biggest stage of them also. Big ups to Ilanduka as a whole in Morocco. Mr. Benzaya Bonakala have done well, Ilandu Ethiopia, and most of the players are they are playing in Europe. You can have 1 or 2 players as Lala local. Most of them as Lala Europe. So doing very well Ilanduka in Morocco to Ulandika, Ekropini, Opuma.
Yeah.
So yeah. Last game I think Bayagi Haiti. Last game. So I think yeah. My mom and the pabon.
That was like that. Yeah. And then also big ups to Ghana.
Yeah.
Ghana no Ginayo, win. Big ups. And then what's this? Hey, Tunisia. Yeah. 4 years of COVID.
Yeah.
Tunisia. It's sad, but yeah, it's one of those Mansekba. First game, I read somewhere out of 10 games with qualifiers, they won 9 and drew 1. Yeah. Now out of 2 games with World Cup, go score 9. Yeah. Somewhere in the show. Yeah. Interesting game, Congo, the Landuka that we didn't speak about. Portugal.
Yeah. No, game yawo mashita be solid with defensive ya beyazi into azoyenza pa 100%. Same indlela be organize ngayo, same bedlala ngayo last game yayo, dlala Nigeria last game yayo before Alanduka aze go World Cup. In terms of financing bikulelwa mo sport pa esisa kulanduka ku World Cup yabo. So the same way bedlala ngayo la game, same way laba approach ngayo game yelanduka ye Portugal, making sure babe 5-3-2 ba solid defensive yabo, make sure into bangabana they close in his space, they make sure you play, you can have a ball, you're gonna suffer without a ball, you're gonna make sure try I'll propose, even Ronaldo befuna kaphume ukuze adlale ibhola, but boxing besithi make sure no, we go to jamba nawe immediately ifike emilenzeni uBruno Fernandes, immediately ifike emilenzeni sayiwina, immediate o Silva ku Portugal yabo. But in terms of i-structure se-Portugal, bese structure obvious ne-fans zabo ezikhalela suppose bapike ubani kwezindawo nendawo, but-ke picks up to i-team yethu le yase-Africa, i-Congo, make sure into bangamane iphuma ne-drop, because that's a big confidence for bona going forward egroupini yabo Tamsi.
Yeah. Congrats. And also in Germany, the last time iphuma with group stages was 2014. Yeah, 2014. Yeah, last time he survived group stages. And baphela bewina lo World Cup. Yeah, otherwise the other 2 last World Cups, basurvivang, you know. But ke ezobuya iLanduka will win iCote d'Ivoire. Engosini bahlali for watching our Sporting Culture. Please subscribe, like and comment. Sithi ke abo kwa Sporting Culture. Peace.